Hello dear student. Today I am not in the class. I am in my home. In home only I have set up the 6 days flight simulator. This is a powerful computer. All the flight dynamics and simulation will be carried out by this computer. And here you can see my simulating model. From the simulating model I will send the trajectory data to the X-plane, and X-plane has a own internal dynamics. So we have deactivated the internal dynamics physics engine of a X-plane, and now we are supplying the trajectory data, position and attitude to the X-plane. All the data can be transferred from the simulink to the X-plane and can get back from the X-plane to the simulink. So in simulink you can see this is my plant, and this is the controller, okay, and this is the from this block I am sending to the X-plane. So you can see this in a controller. We have two controller. One is total energy control and another is a total heating control. That is the outer loop. Total energy control I have used for the outer loop. You can see how it will look like. This is the common structure of the total energy control system. In autopilot course I will teach you the in detail. And this is the inner loop. This is basically INDI. I have a separate block for PID. PID also I have designed that can also be used as an inner loop for this autopilot. But as of now I am using INDI. So I have a two option, INDI or PID. Okay. So here I would like to thank to two people. One is Dr. Chakrabarti. He is the assistant professor in the Department of Aerospace and Engineering, Urban University, and he is a very good professor, and he works on the flight simulator, urban air mobility. So when I was in the USA, he was my postdoctoral supervisor. So I worked with him and I get to know how the simulator works. So I thankful to Dr. Chakrabarti. And the second person I would like to thank is University of Washington professor and guidance, navigation and control in engineer Christopher Lum. So you might have heard about his name from the YouTube. He is a very good. He has a very good YouTube channel. So from Christopher Lum only I know how to integrate the MATLAB to the X-plane. Thank you, Dr. Chakrabarti, and thank you, Christopher Lum. So now we'll get back to our work. Okay. So now what I will do first here. So I will run the X-plane only. I will not run my simulink model. Okay. And after that I will deactivate the internal dynamics of the X-plane. Okay. So you can see I am going to take. I am not the expert pilot, but I will try. So as long as I will get the takeoff speed, I will put the elevator up. So I think I have reached the speed. So now it is flying perfectly. But remember that I am not sending any data to the from the simulink to the X-plane. Okay. So I am trying to trim this aircraft at a particular model so that I will deactivate my simulink. Okay. So now I am going to run this simulink model. So simulink model is running. Okay. So now I will try to deactivate the physical engine of a X-plane. Okay. So now you can see X-plane is internal physics engine has been deactivated. Okay. So now you can see I am running. I am sending the data to the X-plane. See the response. Okay. Now I will put the throttle here. I will show you that how this pitch is decreasing. Okay. I will show you here the pitch angle. Where is pitch angle? This one is a pitch angle, right? So you can see this is a pitch angle coming from the simulink. How much it is? Around -3 na, and how it is showing? -3, right? So perfectly, and you can see that alpha, beta, everything is stopped showing here. I am sending, that means I am sending the data from simulink to the S-plane. Now my both controller and plant is running in the simulink. I am sending the data to the X-plane. Okay, now you can see this. How can roll? See rolling right towards the rib. Okay, it's rolling right. And now I will put the roll this side. This is rolling right. Okay, and now I will put the elevator forward. Now it is pitching down, right? And now I will put the elevator up. It is going up, pitching up, right? Perfectly, right? Perfectly fine. Okay. So now when I am moving this stick, and this stick is basically +1 and -1. When I put this, this is +1, this is -1, this is +1, and this is -1, and this is rudder +1, and this is -1. All this command, when I am sending, this is going to this total energy control system. Here you can see. Okay, and now the command variable is generated, and this command variable, from this stick only the command variable is generated, and this command variable is going to the total energy control system and total heating control system. You can say total heating control system, LED and directional case. Okay, phi command and R command. Okay, now this command is further going to the inner loop, which is India is sitting in the inner loop. So the command variable for this loop is generated by the total energy control and total heating control, and command variable for total energy control and total heating control is generated by this stick. So that is how the fly-by-wire works. Okay. So if you want to stop listening the data from simulink to explain, you can press F4. Now it is stopped. Okay. Now the explain is working. Okay. Now see this response. Now directly stick is connected to this explain, not the simulink. See how it is working. This one. Huh? Okay. So that is how the purpose of this tutorial is to show that how to deploy your model, how to show your aircraft response in a fixed base simulator. That is the purpose, and I think it is fulfilled. But in the future, I will try to extend this setup in a very big screen with so many projectors, so that will look like a good type of facility in the future. And I am planning to extend the same, and this is the end of this course, but not the end of sharing the knowledge. So in the next course, maybe possibly I will offer the flight simulation, then I will tell you the detail about this controller, flight dynamic model controller, and when I will offer the autopilot course, then I will tell you more about this controller and all everything. Okay, I will design the complete autopilot in that course. So I hope you enjoy this course, and please, if you have any doubt in any section, please try to reach me. All the contact details are available. So with this, thank you so much. Bye bye.